Hey guys, so I got asked to make a tutorial on how I make my peppermint earrings, so I'm going to show you guys how to make a green one. I am out of earring hooks, so I can't show you how to attach it, but other than that, this is the video to watch to make the earrings. So I do the magic loop method, and I grab both strands, white and green, and I wrap them around my fingers like this. You can do the magic ring or the chain 2 method, whatever works best for you, but I do the magic loop. So to do the magic loop, you grab the 2, and then you grab the 2. And now the white is in the front, so what we're going to do is pull the green over it. Now we're going to take it off of our fingers. And we are starting with white. So we do 12 double crochets, alternating the color for each stitch. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab the white, and you're going to do a double, so wrap around, go under, grab the yarn, pull through 2, and then you're going to put the white to the side, and you're going to grab the green. I like to put the white back so it's not really wrapping around the magic loop, it's just out of the way. So to finish off the double crochet, you will do the next color. And you will just keep doing this until you have 12. So that's 1, 2. I'll show you guys a few stitches. 3. Okay, you guys, now that you have 12 double crochets on your magic loop, you should be able to pull the tail out, and hopefully I'm not pulling the wrong thing. I think I am. There we go. So we are pulling the tail out to tighten it. Now we just put it together and we tighten as much as we can, and then you take the white. And I normally work with the tails and the other color just to have them all be in the same place. So we are going to go into the first stitch, the white. We're going to put all the things over our hook, and then we're going to do a single crochet. And then after that, you do a slip stitch, and this loop right here is where you're going to put the earring hook. So you take the hook out and you put the earring hook in there, and then you cut off and weave in the ends for the earring, and that is how you get a peppermint earring. So yeah, you guys, I showed you how to make a green one, but you can do red and white, you can do other colors. This is using a 2.5 millimeter hook, and this is size 4 medium cotton yarn. But you can definitely go smaller if you want smaller earrings, or bigger if you want bigger earrings. These are about the size of my thumb, the top of my thumb. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and I will see you guys on Friday with some NICU blankets. Peace out.